Alrighty, so you had a question about number 4 on the worksheet, and it is how to find the area of this odd shape. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to break down the shape into shapes we already know. So we're going to draw some lines here and create 3 rectangles because we know how to find the area of rectangles. So we have 1, 2, and 3 shapes. So we're going to start off by finding the area of shape number 1. So, shape number 1 we know has a length of 14, but we do not know what the width is. But from below here, you can tell that the whole length is 11, and we know this partial length is 7 meters. So what we're going to do is subtract 7 from 11, and we're going to get 4 meters. So now we know the length is 14 meters, and the width is 4 meters. So our formula, as you know, is length times width, so 14 times 4 is going to give us the area of our shape number 1, our rectangle, and that is going to be 56. All right, next we're going to find the area of our rectangle number 2 up here. And this one's a little more difficult because we know that this width is going to be 7, but we don't exactly know what this height right here is going to be. So in order to figure that out, we're going to take our long length, which is going to be 14, and subtract 7 from it because we know this length right here is 7. So 14 minus 7 is going to give us these remaining 2 spots here and here. So 14 minus 7 we know is 7. Then we're going to divide that by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So we know this is 3.5, and we know this is 3.5. All right, so now we know 7 times 3.5 for our area number 2, and that is going to give us 24.5. And then we also know that area number 3 has identical dimensions to area number 2. So that's also going to be 7 times 3.5, which is going to give us 24.5 again. Then we're going to add the area of our 3 shapes. So we have 56 plus 24.5 plus 24.5, and it takes a little bit of mental math, and you get your final answer, which is 105. So for all of the rest of these in the worksheet as well, you're going to have to break up all your shapes into shapes you already know. So look for familiar shapes, look for formulas we already know. All right, please email me back if you have any more questions. Thanks.